Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Myself Sheikh Firdaus, and in this video we are going to learn that how we can create a Power BI dashboard. Here I'm going to use a real pharmaceutical sales data. Power BI is like a Google map of a data. It helps us to visualize a route from the raw numbers to make a smart decision. It is a powerful tool from the Microsoft that let us help us to clean, analyze and visualize data in all one place. So let's dive into the data. So this is our Power BI desktop. So first we have to import our data from Excel. So this is a data that I have gathered from the GitHub. There is a various website online. You can get a data from this website such as the GitHub, Kaggle, and other website is also available. There is a clinical trial. If you want to study the clinical trials, so you can go to the clinical trials.government. You will going to get a numerous data for the different clinical trials. So now we have to click this pharma data. Yes, it's loaded. So this is all the columns. This is a table view, this is a report view, and this is a model view. So in here we can see there is a distributor, customer name, cities, country, latitude, longitude, channel, sub-channel, product name, and the product class. That is the mood stabilizer. There is a different classes, analgesic, antiseptic. So this is different classes, and here we can do sorting also, and we can do filtering also, that which class do you want to work with, such as the analgesic, antibiotic, antimalarial. So this is all the product classes. So here we are selecting all, we are not doing any sorting and filtering, and you can sort this ascending descending also, ascending descending, and this is all the product name. So for an example, in analgesic, all this different drug will going to come, and their quantity has been given, quantity, price, sale, month, year, name of the sales rep, manager, and the sales team. So here we are going to see the different sales team. They have four sales team, that is Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, and Delta, and its manager. So here we can see So here we can see there is a 2,54,082 rows. This is a huge data, right? So here we are going to study the data and visualize the data and understand the data. And here they have given the years. So the data is from the 2017 to 2020. And here also we can do the filtering and sorting. So let's go to the report view. In creating a text box, keeping a space for writing the heading of our dashboard. This will be my title, etc. And here we can change the canvas setting. I have did a customize height and width. I have put this much. So here I'm planning to use a 10 tools from here. So this is all the tools, that is the bar chart, a column chart, cluster bar chart, and pie chart, donut chart, and we are going to use some of these. So first I'm using a slicer, and here I'm adding the year into it, and we can customize this slicer from here. Format your visuals, slicer setting from between to drop down, because previously in our data we already have seen there is the data is from 2017 to 2020. So easily we can click, and by clicking the 2017, so all the tools that we are going to use, it will going to show the data of the 2017. Okay, and here we also going to on this, because we can study all the data, right? Select all, like this, all. By selecting all, it is showing all 4 years data. And now we can do the color changing and we can customize this. In properties, size, width, we can change the size, width, position, horizontal, vertical. So I'm not doing anything into the properties. We'll change the effects like background, and I have on this visual border and I want it to do the round border. It's look nice. Here we can also customize our text color by going into the format visual, title, and here text color. We can also change our text color, but here I'm keeping black only. Now we'll create our first chart, that is the donut chart, because everything is right with donuts, right? So let's now we are going to add our data from here. We're going to drag in. So here we'll add the sub-channel in legend and the sales in values. Here we have created some of the sales by the sub-channel. Here we can see that how our sales has been divided among the different sub-channels such as the retail, government, institution and private. So this is stand for the retail. We can see and the data, some of the sales data has been showed over here. So now we'll create our third visual, that is this card, and we'll put some of the sales. So this is the total sale of all the year from 2017 to 2020. And this is a huge number, right? That is the 12 billion. And also we can format the visual. We can go into the effects and do change the background color and also the visual border. I'm doing rounded corners. And we can also change its value. So this is a general that we have did it. Now we'll go to the visual, go to the call out value, and this is a different font. This is Arial, Arial, and we can customize the size of our font also. Okay, now we'll create another visual. There is the stack bar chart, and here we'll take product class on y-axis and sum of sales on x-axis. And here we can see that analgesic is the most selling product in all over the years, all 4 years. And if we do the 2017, then antiseptic is the most among all the product class. So now we'll create our fifth visual. So many of the time we want to add more visuals such as the histogram. Here the histogram has not been added, and here I want to add one more visual, that is the multi info card. So it is not been here. So we'll go to get more visuals, and we can search over here. Now I want multi info card, this one. Add. So here it has been added, that is multi-info card. We'll click on it and we'll take manager on titles and sales, sum of sales and sales team on information. So Here we can see this multi-info card show the sales performance of each manager, that is Brittany Bolt, Alicia, Tracy and James Goodwill, along with their respective team. Here the team, this is a team Delta that is led by the Brittany Bolt manager. So among them, the highest sales has been made by this Brittany Bolt from the Delta team. So here we can see the sales performance of each team and also we can compare it. Now we'll select this visual and color the background. And also by uh, going into this visual cards, we can change the background color. This white color, we can change it. And also we can put the borders and we can also change the title color and font size. So this is how we can do. Now I'm taking a stack bar chart and here we'll add product class on legend, sum of sales on x-axis and sales team on y-axis. So here we can see that which team has sold which type of a product. So here the Delta team seems to be crushing it across all categories like analgesic, that is given by this purple color, followed by antibiotic, antimalarial, antipyretic, antiseptic and mood stabilizer, followed by the Charlie Brown. Now we'll take our next visual, that is the map. Here we can add cities as well as the countries. So first we'll see the countries and we'll see that where our sales is happening and sum of sales in bubble size. So this is the bubble we can see. So we can see the Germany. Most of the sales is being happen in Germany. And also we can put cities here in location. Hmm. So we can see in North America and here on the border of Africa, Germany, and there is a lot of a sea in Europe. So I'll put country. So we can see the one part over here in Poland, and we can do swipe up, swipe down to look for the bubble. So, but here the bubble size is bigger. So most of the sales has been made in German. Now we'll make our another visual, that is the line chart, and here we'll add the sum of sales on y-axis and the year on x-axis. So this is the all year, that is starts from in 2017, 18, 19, and here we can see that sum of sales of in 2019 and in 2022. So here in 2017, the sales have started slow. And in 2018, boom, the peak sales. The marketing must have worked wonder over here. Then again, the sales is declining. And again in 2020, it's low. Maybe due to the COVID disrupted regular pharma supply chain. Now let's create another chart. So I'm taking this column chart this time. And now we'll see the before we get the product class, now we'll see the product name and the sum of sales. So here we can see that which product was sold most for past 4 years. So this is the first product that has been sold the most, that is the inoprotide, followed by tretadeniol, followed by sumanazole. So here we can see. And also, if we want to change some of the visuals, so just click this and we can change. So I'm keeping this one. Sum of sales by product name. Now we'll see the sales performance of the distributor. So here I'm taking the pie chart, distributor, and the sum of sales. So here in this donut chart, this displays that the sales performance by the distributor. So from this visual, we can clearly see that this Ganlech LLC contributed the highest sales, accounting for approximately 29.68% of the total sales, followed closely by the another distributor, that is the cost at um, 26.17%, and the Adman, that is 12.9%. So this helps us to identify the top performing distributors in our network. Now let me arrange all the visuals. Here I'm adding a card and we'll put the sum of the quantity and one more card for sum of the price. And we'll rearrange it. Values, area, area, perfect. Now I have rearranged the visuals and changed the color, background color and the font. In view, we can change our themes. So by selecting the different themes, now I have rearranged the visuals and changed the color, background color and the font. And I have also saved this file as the Pharma Sales Hours. Now this is the report. This is not our dashboard. This is called the Power BI report. Now for dashboard, we need to publish this on Power BI service. Power BI help us to make a sense of a messy data, and with a little creativity, we can tell amazing stories. I hope that you like this video, and remember, whether it's a data or a drug, quality always matter. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.